Hello, my name is Mariella Baldo and I teach in the Computer Skills program. The Computer Skills program has 4 classes. This program is designed for students who want to learn intermediate skills level of Microsoft Word and Excel. They also learn how to organize files and folders and create professional looking documents and spreadsheets. After completing the program, the students may be able to apply to take the Microsoft Office User Certification test, or they are able to apply for office positions. If you're interested in taking courses in the Computer Skills program, go to the Schedule of Classes and click on the subject, Business Non-Credit.